As the shop steward of the F-35 line, I would like to welcome every single one of you to your new shop. My name is Harry Eliseo Martinez, and I will be doing this for my English 241 public speaking class at University of Mount Olive. The objectives that we will go over today are the contact information for the shop, the safety procedures that you will have to follow, your new mission, you as an artisan and the artisans you'll be working around, the support staff that will assist you in completing your mission, the F-35s, the ABCs of the F-35s, and the procedure of the line, which you will do on a daily basis. First things first, our contact information. We are located in two different buildings, building 4224, and beginning in September, we will also move to building 188. Building 4224 is located on A Street. Building 188 is on the flight line right next to the canopy covers. We have two different phone numbers. For airframers, electricians, and AVI, we have 252-464-5445. For low observable or sheet metal, we have 252-464-6891. Well, first things first. When it comes to FRC East, safety is paramount. You will wear steel-toe shoes or composite toes at all times. Hearing protection is worn inside the hangar at all times as well. Safety glasses or prescription glasses will also be worn. Bump caps will be worn when on top of the aircraft or within 5 feet of an aircraft. Cranials will be worn on the flight line if within 200 feet of an aircraft that is turning. No shorts are allowed on the flight line. Long sleeves must be worn on the flight line during fueling operations or within 200 feet of an aircraft that is turning. It is very important that in the summer months you stay hydrated. In the winter months, you must bring warm clothes. Temperatures will drop and there is no cover away from the cold wind. For those rainy days, make sure you bring a good set of rain gear. If an SDS is needed, you need to ask a toolroom attendant or search for it on the CP website. An SDS is what's formerly known as MSDS. If you see anything that seems unsafe, please report it to anyone immediately. Anyone at all, we can all handle the situation. The mission for the F-35 is actually quite simple. To perform all approved modifications to the F-35 Lightning II in the allotted time, to work safely and diligently in order to produce a product that will best serve the warfighter. As artisans, you will be surrounded by different men and women which come here every day to complete the mission. Here is a brief introduction to every artisan you'll be working around. As airframers, they remove and install components such as pumps, valves, engines, lines, panels, and IPPs. Sheet metal, they perform frame modifications, corrosion control, and panel assistance such as nut plates and drill outs. Electricians remove and install electrical components such as cannon plugs, radars, probes, and displays. Low observables maintains the low observable material, which makes the F-35 stealth. AVI maintains the avionics software current with the latest software and troubleshoots decoding. The support staff is just as important as the artisans themselves. Supervisors, their main objective is personnel management. Your leave, your time off, it's all approved by them. Work leaders ensure each of their crews are completing the work directly and as diligently as assigned by task managers. Task managers issue tasks to ensure each plane is completed within schedule. Quality assurance or QAs, they ensure the tasks are completed exactly as per the instructions. E&E is in charge of work orders and create work orders as needed. Toolroom attendants issue out special tools and hazmat to the artisans. Technical librarians maintain all the technical publications and drawings. The shop steward, as myself, ensures the union agreement is being followed at all times by both artisans and supervision. This is a picture of all three F-35s. On the left-hand side, you have the Charlie. On the middle, you have the Bravo. And on the right, you have the Alpha. The F-35 Alpha, also known as the Conventional Takeoff and Landing, or CTOL. The F-35 Bravo is the Short Takeoff and Vertical Landing, or STOVL. And the F-35 Charlie, the carrier version, also known as the CV version. This is a picture of the CTOL, or the Alpha. This is known as the conventional F-35. It is the only F-35 that has a mounted gun at all times. It is designed as the F-35 for the United States Air Force and its allies. Equipped with a tailhook only for emergency landings. Only 2 A-model aircrafts have been worked at Cherry Point, which the majority of the aircraft are actually modified in Ogden, Utah. This is a picture of the F-35 Bravo performing a vertical landing. The F-35 Bravo is designed to replace the Harrier, which capabilities are short runway takeoffs and vertical landings. It is equipped with a lift fan and an engine which twists to make vertical landings and short takeoffs possible. This will be the primary aircraft would be modified here at Fleet Readiness Center East. This is a picture of the F-35 Charlie. The C model F-35 is the first stealth aircraft to be based out of an aircraft carrier. It has the exact same engine as the F-35 Alpha. The landing gear and hook assembly is designed for carrier operations. The extended foldable wings are designed to assist in catapult operations. FRC East is the secondary location where the C models are modified. Here at FRC East, there are certain procedures which are very vital and important to our mission. First things first, the F-35 is not a stealth aircraft. It is a low observable aircraft. With the combination of the yellow material covering the aircraft and the high-tech computer equipment, it has the capabilities of messing with the radars of our enemies. We here at FRC East take pride in taking care of that LO. It is very expensive to replace and is very expensive to maintain. Some of the ways that we take care of the LO is by never stepping on it with your safety shoes on top of the aircraft. Cover your shoes with booties. When cleaning the aircraft with alcohol, use a 50-50 mixture diluted with water. Never ever use 100% alcohol. It will deteriorate the LO. When panels are removed, lay them with the LO facing up. If putting on carts, make sure that you use rubber or foam to cover the LO. When working on top of the aircraft, make sure work stands are around the aircraft at all times in case you fall off. If you lose or misplace a tool, inform your work leader as soon as possible. This is something that is not tolerated at FRC East. This is a fireable offense. Anything else can be reprimanded or fixed. Losing a tool, it is a very quick way to be fired. A lost tool can actually bring down an aircraft if it's in the wrong place, such as the engine bay. Do not conduct any work without a work order. Wait for proper documentation for all work. Never ever do any work just by word of mouth. You need documentation that has been approved by E&E and verified by QA before doing any work. This is not for up to negotiations. When working on a mod, make sure technical data is open and accessible. At all times, your data must be open. At all times, your data must be visible to anybody walking by to see exactly what you're doing and how it's supposed to be done. Tool inventories will be conducted at the beginning and at the end of the shift. Shift hours are from 07 to 15:30, and we'll have a 30-minute lunch at noon. 2 union 15-minute mandated breaks are at 09:30 and 1400. And with this, I hope to have been able to assist you and give you more of a broad information on what to do here at FRC East. Thank you and enjoy your time here.